I don't think anybody is ever going to truly understand how much effort I've put into this. I'm exhausted. This is what I got done. I made a little king of the mountain hill here for the kids, and then this is all parking down here. We're on our way to the Derby. It's 2:45. We're loaded to the hills with the last load. It's 1 degree out. If we don't do it right, we're gonna be burning the shit out of it. So we'll curl this one around this way, I guess.
Fingers are crossed.
Oh yeah.
Oh! That's pretty interesting, huh?
First one's rolling in. The man, the myth, the legend right there. Making sure everybody stays warm.
What's going on, brother?
Not much.
We made it. Nobody really has any idea.
More kids registering. So I think we got close to 90 kids so far.
Oh, I got traps. So this just hooks on here, Dill. And then it spins if you get a fish.
Good job.
I got the stuff. I got the good.
Biggest salmon down here right now.
I'm not sure.
Big one.
Oh, he's got her on there too.
Get it, get it, get it. Hey, that's a big one.
Hey, that is a good size perch.
Good job, bud. We got it.
Good fish.
Hold it up, Hannah.
That's a really nice fish. I'd go register that.
Yeah.
That's definitely first place.
I'm gonna get a picture of you too, and I'll send her right to Mammy.
Awesome. Amy, I gotta get you in the video.
Mimi has it in her pocket. We'll go get her in a second. Yeah, I think there's a couple more. Oh, you did it.
We got over 400 people here.
All right, Chip, you wanna?
Can you hear me? Yeah. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you, our sponsors. You know, I know it was cold this morning. Some of you guys were rolling in here at 5:30. I was over there at the smoker, and it was a really good feeling to look around and watching every one of you, you know, spending time with the kids and family, and that's what this is all about. I know this is going to be a little awkward, but I did something that I want to share with each and every one of you. I had a vision of sitting over there at the smoker. I'm sorry, I'm going to try to do this without crying. I had a vision being over at the smoker and looking around and watching everybody fishing and having a good time. And I want to say that you guys far exceeded my expectations.
Amen.
And for that, I'm very grateful. This is a song that I wrote. I did use AI for the music portion, but I wrote the words. I spent 5.5 hours on this song. Don't judge me. It's called Time to Remember. No one knew I was doing this. As I look around at all the people who came from near and far, I can't help but be thankful, so proud from my whole heart. It's a barbecue to remember, families fishing all over the lake, lots of stories and laughter. It's the best Valentine's Day spent together. I hope you all had the time to remember a family day you'll never forget. So look around to your loved ones, hold them close. This one life's all you get. Valentine's Day to you and your family. Happy Valentine's Day from me. Happy Valentine.
And Anna had a trout that was, I can't read it from here, 1.3 pounds and 16.5 inches.
You got it, brother.
Nice.
Congratulations. Great job. Good job, mate.
Third place trout, $100. And the winner is Ben Simpson with his 1 pound trout. 14 7/8 inches. Are you here, Ben? Ben's coming. All right.
Good job, Ben.
Congratulations, kiddo. There you go. Go get your trophy.
buddy.
Nice work.
There you go, Ben.
All right. We'll move on to salmon.
Good job.
Second place salmon. We have, please help me out. Bracket Dunn, $150.
Nice.
1.21 pound salmon, 16 3/4 inches.
Small.
Thank
There you
you.
go, mate. Good job, bud.
First place salmon with $200. Our winner is Weston Wood. 1.32 pound salmon, 17 3/4 inches long.
There he comes. My phone just went dead. iPhone.
Salmon is having something.
Weston, right here.
Good job, bud.
Yeah. Congratulations. I got you.
Perch, we did the highest count, and then I have one prize for the biggest perch. So the most perch caught was 30, and the winner is Steve, help me out. No, that's number 2. First is up above.
Bryson.
Bryson
Dion.
Bryson Dion with 30 perch.
Jeez.
That's first place perch. There you go, buddy. $100 and a trophy. Nope, just the one. There you go.
Whoa. Bryson.
Good job, kiddo.
Gotta take a picture. Here. Look at me.
Okay, second place perch is Cole Poulin for $80. All right, so for the third place perch, we actually had a tie. So we had 2 kids get 18 perch today. One of them is, I can't read that, Hunter, is it Chavette? Clavette. And then the other is it Nathaniel? Yes. Nathaniel Philbrook.
Each one of you are going to get $40. Okay, there's your 40, and there's your 40, and there's only one trophy. We're going to give it to this gentleman because this young man has agreed that we can send him a trophy. So.
There you go. Nice.
Today, and then we'll send his to him. So
Yeah, turn it around, guys. Good job, guys. Nice. Pass him the trophy there real quick.
Hey,
There.
little man, come here. Good job, dude.
Nice.
All right,
Good
and
job,
then
fellas.
I have a trophy for this category. We just threw it in today because somebody wanted to donate the prize. But the biggest perch was number 55, Justin Miller. $50 for Justin today.
Nice.
Good job, Justin. Congratulations.
All right, so this is for the Lauren pack basket. 1 boy, 1 girl.
The winner of the pink pass basket is green number 58, and it's Eleanor Philbrook.
No way!
drawing for the blue pack basket.
Yeah, there you go.
Orange 36 for the blue pack basket. Oh, here's 39.
Brody Adams.
Brody Adams. Is Brody here? We're drawing for the Gator next, and this is only for kids that are under 8 years old. Addison Fisher, green, number 27. Is Addison here? Oh, awesome. Way to go, Addison.
Voucher for Bring 'em Out Attractant, 2-ounce spray. This is a bear attractant.
Green number 89. She's standing right there.
So on this one, we don't actually have the gift certificate. Alex is going to get it to me. We're going to get your information, okay?
I got her information.
Okay. So we'll get with
That's
you
one of
in
my
a second,
babies.
okay? The next one is a Match Trading Post gift card for $50.
Bailey Fisher. Is Bailey here?
I don't have a pen. Yeah.
Oh, I see him right here.
Right behind you.
No, I see him right here.
Oh my gosh, I was zoned out.
It hit me in the face.
Next three are going to be the Frable Ice Picks.
Frable Ice Picks.
So we got 3 individual prizes.
The first one is G85.
Green 85.
Right there. She's right there. Addison.
Addison Moriat. The second is Green 36. That was one of our trophy winners, I
How
think.
old's you?
I'm green.
Green 36.
Dubé. Emmett Dubé.
Emmett Dubé.
Now what?
Bingo.
Next, we got the Ice Claw Safety Kit.
Ice Claw.
Hello.
Danielle Wortman.
Stop. Do we have hand warmers?
Yeah, you're fine.
Kinsley Condon.
Kinsley Condon. Coming over here. Orange 52.
This was a single trap donated today. It's brand new.
Ashton Burke.
So we've got
Fishing pole.
We've got 5 jig rods, 5 individual winners.
Okay, the first one is Orange 27. Orange 29. Jackson Rafford. Yep, there you go. No, that's 29. Oh, he's 29, right?
Oh, yep. Jackson Rafford isn't here. Right. So right in his pole.
Okay, so he didn't win this. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't know what to do.
56. Harrison Barker.
He's here.
He's on the way.
Right here.
Orange 39 is Zeke Tar.
Oh, I think they left.
They left. Okay. Last jig pole would be Green 32.
Here he comes.
Here he goes.
Kyle Russell.
Fine.
Next is a Frable Bait Cooler.
Bravo Bait Cooler. Orange 58.
You win this, Lizzie. I want it.
This is donated by Adam Kelsey and Stephen Fisher.
Abigail McLean, Orange 58. You here, Abigail?
This is donated from Jack Traps. You stick your individual traps. There's 5 of them.
I didn't get put in the drawing, but I want it.
All right, the winner of this is Orange 38.
Who do I get to bribe? Who's orange 38?
How's your husband just buy you one?
Okay, so this is for a set of 5 Jack Traps. Is that what those are? Excuse me, Heritage Traps. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. The winner is green number 10. This is somebody who was here at 6 in the morning.
Oh, sorry. Brecken Dunn.
Brecken Dunn. Is that you? All right. Congratulations. Next, we have another set of 5 Heritage Traps, and the winner is Orange 25. Logan Shaw.
Okay, so next we have a guided bear hunt. If I can find it.
This is a youth guided bear hunt that we're giving away. Green 78. Green 78.
Okay, so this was donated. This is a $1,000 value from Northern Adrenaline.
This is Harper Howe, and it's a $1,000 value from Northern Adrenaline.
Okay, next is the Yeti cooler.
Yeti Cooler is up next.
You're gonna have a better cooler than your father, and you're not gonna let him use it.
The winner is green number 4. Ethan Wood. Are you here, Ethan?
He's coming.
Ethan's been here since 6 o'clock this morning. Way to go, buddy. Good job.
Go, Ethan.
Right there, bud.
Somebody want to help him get that back here? There you go. Congratulations. These are the actual Heritage Traps, and these were donated by, I don't want to say this wrong, and I'm trying to find it. I don't have the pen to knock everything off. Jesus Lake Outfitters.
Jesus Lake Outfitters
5
has
traps.
donated 5 Heritage Traps, and the winner is green number 16. Chevelle Burby. Chevelle here? Okay. Chevelle Burby just won.
Okay. So the next one is in memory of Carrie Chassis.
In memory of Carrie Chassis?
Terry.
Excuse me, Terry Chassis.
Heidi Chassis called me and said that Terry would love this event. And this one's a little special to me. Terry was a good fisherman and he loved kids and he was a good guy. So, the fence next.
Okay, this is for the Eskimo tent, and the winner is orange number 50.
That is Waylon Wilson.
Waylon Wilson. Is Waylon here?
Oh, somebody's coming in.
Orange number 50. Just for the record, we had 162 kids register to fish today.
Wow.
Pretty amazing, huh?
So Spartan Arms called today and they wanted to donate a 22 short color of choice.
Spartan Arms has donated 22 caliber short color of choice.
Yeah, so basically, if you win, you're going to have to go to Spartan Arms. I don't have a gift card. They donated this while we were here at the Derby.
The winner is orange 32. What's his name?
Wyatt Kane.
That's Wyatt Kane. Congratulations, Wyatt.
Okay, yeah.
Needs to follow up on their prizes. They can message Chip on Facebook. Chip Hafford. All right, next we're going to draw the Youth Lifetime Fishing License. This has a $300 value. Is that right? Well,
Yep.
actually, it could be $600, right?
Nope.
That's right. Okay, here we go. Lifetime Fishing License. How awesome is that? Green number 11. Lincoln Clark. Next we have a Youth Lifetime Hunting License.
Okay, so this one was donated by Big Bear Realty.
This is donated by Big Bear Realty, and it's going to green number 79.
That is Hayden McBride.
Hayden McBride.
Oh,
So we got. So is this one not? Is this person?
Hayden McBride.
He's already got a lifetime, so.
No, Hayden doesn't. No.
No, Lincoln does.
Hayden is not here. Okay, let's put it
Oh
aside.
gosh, give Lincoln
Okay, so we're
something
gonna draw
else.
for the lifetime fishing again.
So we're drawing the Lifetime
basket.
Fish again because they already had his.
Lincoln.
Lincoln already has his.
So give him the basket if he rightfully won. Give him the basket. Give him the basket.
We'll have to figure something.
Okay, the Lifetime Fishing License is now going to go to orange number 4.
Yep. Go ahead.
He's going to give it away because he already has one. He's giving it to Livy.
Dude, you guys coming.
Okay, so
Good job, buddy.
lifetime combination hunting and.
Next we have a Lifetime Combination Hunting Fishing License. This was donated
This one was donated by North Plumbing
North Plumbing
and Saucier Carpentry.
and Saucier Carpentry. Ready? Orange number 49. Orange number
Bailey Wilson.
Bailey Wilson. Oh, I hear him in the back, cheering in the back. So, are you Bailey?
Nope. Oh, right here.
Are you Bailey? Right there.
Hey, congratulations.
Congratulations, Lifetime Fishing Hunting. Woo! That is a $600 value right there. All right. This is a pack basket with
This is
5.
Okay. So this is a Lauren pack basket with 5 traps
5 jack traps,
and your
chisels.
This is an $850 value.
$850 value donated by
Jack traps
Jack
and Lauren
Traps
pack basket.
and Lauren Pack Basket. And the winner is Orange 67.
Oh
Chase Condon. All right.
What is this? The buggy?
Oh yeah, it goes to the buggy.
Yes.
no. Okay, so this goes in the buggy.
I think that's it, honey.
All right, I want to thank everybody for coming, and maybe we'll do this again this year.
Thank you all for coming.
Drive safe.
Happy fishing. Drive safe. Stay warm.
Where's my hat go?
I look around at all the people who came from near and far, I can't help but be thankful, so proud from my whole heart. It's a barbecue to remember, families fishing all over the lake, lots of stories and laughter. It's the best Valentine's Day spent together. I hope you all had the time to remember a family day you'll never forget. So look around to your loved ones, hold them close. This one life's all you get. Happy Valentine's Day to you and your family. Happy Valentine's Day from me. Happy Valentine's.
Sir, cooking alligators or what? Yeah, they're already.
That guy was like, nope.
That's awesome.